On the sea.
April 10, 1912, an unforgettable day as the RMS Titanic, the largest and most luxurious ship ever built, sets sail from Southampton. Passengers wave goodbye, unaware of the fate awaiting them. Aboard the Titanic, passengers revel in luxury. The grand dining halls and luxurious cabins are filled with laughter and excitement as they embark on their maiden voyage. But not all is calm. The radio operator receives urgent iceberg warnings. The captain and crew face a growing threat, but their response may be too late. At 11:40 p.m., the Titanic strikes an iceberg. A jarring impact shakes the ship, and panic spreads among the passengers as the reality of the danger sets in. Water pours into the lower decks as the ship starts to flood. Crew members scramble to manage the crisis, while passengers face the horrifying truth. With lifeboats launched amid chaos, the struggle to save lives intensifies. Limited boats and frenzied crowds create a desperate situation. Time stands still and cold. As the Titanic's fate becomes clear, the ship breaks apart and sinks into the icy abyss. The final moments are a haunting testament to the disaster unfolding. Rescue ships arrive, pulling survivors from the icy waters. The brave efforts of the rescuers offer a glimmer of hope amidst the tragedy. In the aftermath, survivors are tended to, reflecting on the loss and the heroism witnessed. The Titanic's legacy is forever marked by this tragic night. The world mourns the loss of the Titanic's passengers and crew. A memorial stands as a tribute to those who perished, ensuring their story will never be forgotten.